Hey everyone, it's Justin, and today is a big day because I have my Oculus Quest, or it's in here at least. It's in this Amazon box, and I'm going to unbox it. I'm so excited. Ah! Here it is. It is the Oculus Quest. So the Oculus Quest comes in two versions, the 64 gigabyte and the 128 gigabyte. I had to go with the 128 gigabyte because I didn't want to worry about space. This one was $499 as opposed to the $399 for the 64 gigabyte. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I swear I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. My favorite technique for unboxing things is to use your fingernail just back and forth. So I'm gonna go in there and I'm just gonna go back and forth like that. Ah, it actually didn't hurt, I don't think. Oh my God. Be gone. All right, one more time. That is the Oculus Quest right there. I got the Oculus Quest. It's right in my hand. My quest is to open it. Before I even open up this thing, definitely subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna have a ton of Oculus Quest content coming soon. So to stay up to date with that, subscribe, slide this thing open. Set this aside. Cute box. Got a nice little Oculus on it. Open this up. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at how nicely they laid that in there. Also, it's like super material-y. I didn't know, I guess in the pictures I saw that, but it's like super like fabric-y. That's the Oculus Quest headset right there. Got the eye divider thing there. Got volume right here. There are the cameras. What's so cool about the Oculus Quest is this is the first VR headset that can take into account your surroundings without being connected to a PC. Basically, I'll put this on and it will be able to see my surroundings and be able to have depth perception. So now we have the controllers. I really like these. Wow, these feel really nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's the right-hand one, thank you. The left-hand one, I didn't even have to read that to know. It just feels right. I don't love the smell of it, if I'm being honest, but I love the feel. It's got a box. Ooh, it's laid in there so nicely. Thank you, Oculus. I love this for me. I love this for us. I love this for Oculus. Get it, get it. We got this for glasses, this divider if you wear glasses. And then we've got the charger. And it is USB-C. Oh my goodness, I'm a fan of this. This is a very long charging cable. The Oculus Go did not have a long one like this. And maybe that's because they kind of want you to be able to play still and charge. I don't know if they want you doing that. Probably not, but you can, and I did it with my Oculus Go. Kind of got a little warm though. Oh, we got two AA batteries. I love that. And a little pamphlet. Look at that. Instructions. Things I don't read. Yeah, so it says before you start, install the Oculus app. I already have it, so that's that. So I'm going to hop into this thing. I'm so pumped. I'm gonna get it set up, play some things. Please let me know what experiences or games I have to play with this thing because I don't know which ones I should check out first. Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more content. Subscribe to me on YouTube if you wanna be up to date on all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram because it's fun. And other than that, maybe I'll see you in the VR world. Whoa! It's off. I didn't see anything.